I just flipped $200 into $1,000 trading on Axiom. You don't believe me? Let's take a look at my trading history and some of my entry and exit point. Okay, so now the green line is the entry point, while the orange line is the exit point. Now look at my entry, look at my exit before the coin went to zero. Now let me show you another one again, then you take a very good look at my entry and my exit. Let's look at this one too. Look at my entry and look at my exit. You could see that I exited the market before it dumped to zero. Let me show you exactly the strategy that I use in trading on this Axiom. Follow the video to the end so that you don't miss out anything. Like this video, subscribe to this channel right now, and let's go in.
So the first thing you have to do is to go to Axiom and click on pause.
And then it will take you to this section. Click on that drop down right there. It will bring up this dashboard right here. Now what we want to trade is just new, but you can apply this setting to both stretch and migrated. Now make sure when you click on audit, put the timer to 11 minutes. So we just want to trade coin that are that have been in the market most 11 minutes. Now reset the market cap, the maximum market cap to $9,000. I mean the minimum market cap to $9,000. Most points don't survive 8,000 or 7,000 market cap. Now the next thing that I want to do is to click on Radium to enable Radium. We just want to trade crypto that is on Radium, that is listed on Radium. All the pump firm and the rest, they are overcrowded and a lot of shit are listed on those platforms. So now you could see that the number of coins coming out has been reduced. Now the next thing you want to take note of is take note of the volume. Make sure that the volume is more than the market cap. Okay, also there should be an increasing number of pro trader and new trader incoming. Now we've selected a coin right here. Now this here is the next thing you want to look out for. Now position your cursor, your tap on the trades so that you can be monitoring these new trades whenever they come up. Now take note of the DEF token. The DEF token is the amount of tokens that this DEF has been launching. If the DEF has launched so much token, it means that they are likely to always ruffle, or at least this will end in proc pull. Now take note of the holders. Is the holders increasing or reducing? If they are reducing, then you should hold on. If it's increasing, then you can trade. But you can only trade after this market has dumped really well. When the market has dumped really well, then take note of the buy order coming in from this tab right here and the number of holders. If they are increasing, then you can enter the market and monitor your trade and exit when you've gotten some level of profit. Okay, watch the next video on how to use Axiom. Like this video, subscribe to this channel right now.